How to start a jam on Spotify. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. Once you're here on this page, you can explore the list of albums and singles available. Now, you can select an album of your choice and tap on it. Once you're here, scroll through and tap on the song you want to listen to. Once the song starts playing, you can open the Now Playing view, then tap on the icon at the bottom left corner of this page. Now, tap on Start a Jam. Then tap on Got It. Here, you can invite friends to listen to and add songs together in real time from wherever they are. From here, you can either share the link or use your Jam QR code to invite friends to your jam. And that is how you can easily start a jam on Spotify and enjoy it with your friends.